Hello everybody. I, Jayesh Soni from Jayesh Soni English Medium School, the maths teacher, welcomes you all to our school. Now, today I am going to teach you about one maths activity. What is activity? Activity is a new era that is taken you from the bookish system. Our school has started this new era. Okay, now we are going to learn about the square and square root. We are going to learn about the square and square root. Square and square root is a part of the maths. Maths is divided into three parts. That is the statistics, algebra and the geometry. Now today I am going to teach you. Okay, this is a square and square root. What is square? Now we will look at it. 1 square. 1 square is equal to 1 into 1. 1 into 1 means 1. Now look at here. Here is a 2 square. 2 square means 2 into 2. That is a 4. 3 square, that is a 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 4 square. 4 square means 4 into 4. 4 into 4 means 16. 5 square. 5 square means 5 into 5. That is 25. 6 square. 6 square is equal to 6 into 6 means 36. 7 square. 7 into 7, 49, so on. 8 square is equal to 8 into 8 means 64. 9 square is equal to 9 into 9 means 81. 10 square is equal to 10 into 10 means 100. Now, one part is a square. The other part is square roots. What is square root? Just to look at it. Here is one knowledge for you. X root. X root is equal to x raised to 1 by 2. Suppose I have given here 1. I have to find the square root of 1. This is the square root. 1. Square root of 1. 1 means 1 raised to 1 by 2. 1 means, you have already learned, 1 means 1 square. 1 square raised to 1 by 2. So, whenever we cut these two, we get the 1. Same way, suppose square root of 4. Square root of 4 means 4 raised to 1 by 2. 4 means, you have already known that 4 means 2 square. 4 means 2 square. So we can write it here. 4 means 2 square. 2 square raised to 1 by 2. So here 2 cut. Then we get the 2. The root square of the 4 is 2. Same way you can learn it here. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 9. Square root of 9. That is the 3. The square root of 9 is the 3. Square root of 16 is the 4. Square root of 5. 5 is 5 square. 5 square root is 5. Root square of 36, that is the 6. Root square of 49, that is the 7. Root square of 64, that is the 8. Root square of 89, that is the 9. Again I am telling you how we have find this root 81. Just to learn that here, root 81 means 9 square raised to 1 by 2. Here we cut the 2 and we get the 9. So in this way we will find the square root of 100 also. Square root of 100 is 10. I am going to teach you what is square. Just to visualize what is the square. Whenever you visualize the square, you have coming with the figure of the geometry, that is the square. By this visualization of the square, we are going to learn 1 square is equal to 1. Look at here. Here is the 1 square. 1 square means 1 square. 1 square is equal to 1. That is equal to 1. Whenever you have given the 2 square, whenever you have given the 2 square, 2 square is equal to 4. Just to visualize how this 2 square is come. 2 square, 2 square. 2 square is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is the 4. When you give the 3 square, when you have given the 3 square, you visualize the 3 square in your mind. Just you visualize 3 square in your mind. 3 square in the 3 lines. Now count down them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we get the 9. Whenever we visualize the 4 square same way, how can you visualize this 4 square in your mind in the one line? 4 square in the second line. 4 square in the third line. 4 square in the fourth line. Whenever you count them all, you get 16. In this way, we can introduce with the square. In this way, we can introduce ourselves with the square. Suppose 5 square means 5 square line with the 5 times we get the 25. In this way, we are introduced with the square. Okay. Now, how can we introduce with the square root? How can we introduce with the square root? Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 1 is 2. Square root of 9 is 3. How this has come? Just look at it. Here is the square root of 1. Square root of 1 is 1 line. So here we can say that square root of 1, that is the 1. Square root of 4. Square root of 4. 4 means only 1 line. 4 means only 1 line. 1 line, there is only 2 square. So square root of 4, that is the 2. Square root of 9. Square root of these are the 9 square. But here we take only 1 line. 1 line of the square root of 9, that is only 3. Square root of 16 means only 1 line. Only 1 length you can say also. That is square root of 16 is equal to 4. In this way we can introduce with the square and square root. Now I have to visualize you with the square and the square roots. How we can visualize the square and the square root? Whenever you think or visualize about the square, you just connect with the figure of the square. You just connect with the figure of the square. Now look at here. Here we have here the 1 square is 1. How is that come? Here is a 1 square. 1 square means 1 square. Here is a 1 square. 1 square means 1. Whenever you visualize the 2 square, 2 square is equal to 4. How you have visualized with the 2 square? 2 square is equal to 4. How we can visualize this? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here, whenever we have drawn the 4 square, we can get the 2 square is equal to 4. Same way, when you visualize the 3 square, 3 square is equal to 9. How this 3 square have come? Just aim in your mind. 3 square. 3 square means 9. How this has come? Just you see, 3 lines of the square. 3 lines of the square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This way, whenever we make the 3 lines of the 3 squares, we get the 9. Whenever we get the 4 square is equal to 16. How this 4 square is 16 has come? The 4 square is equal to 16. But how this has come? 4 square means 4 lines of the 4 square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 square. Same way, 4 lines of the first square. What second, third, fourth. Just look at it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15 and 16. 4 square has the 4 lines, we get the 16. In this way, we can visualize the 5 square is equal to 25, 6 square is equal to 36, 6 square 6 lines, 7 square is equal to 49, means 7 square with the 7 lines. 8 square is equal to 64 means
triangular visualization of the square. By here is a 1 square. Here with the 3 squares I have prepared one triangle. Using the 6 square I have again prepared the square. Using this 6 squares we have prepared the triangle, just to see. Then here using the 10 squares we have prepared again the triangle. Just you look at here. Here is a 1 square. here is a 3 square, and prepare the triangles. Here with the 6 squares, we have prepared the triangle. Here with the 10 squares, we have prepared the triangles. This one, here is a 3, here is a 6, here is 10. But whenever we have used these squares, suppose I put this square at here. Suppose I put this square at here. Here is a 1 plus 3. Just to see, 1 means is a 1 square. Here 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. You just see that. That is a 4. 4 is nothing but that is a 2 square. You have just seen. 1, 2, 3, 4 square now. 4 square means 1 plus 3 is a 4. 4 means 2 squares. Same way, when we add the 3 to 6, 3 plus 6, 3 plus 6, we get 9. 9 is nothing but the 3 square. Same way, whenever we are using the 6 plus 10, whenever we are getting with the 6 plus 10, 6 plus 10, 6 plus 10. 6 plus 10 means 16. 16 means nothing but the 4 square. In this way, by triangular visualization, we can prepare the square. Just to see ahead, here is a 1, 2, 3 square. Suppose I put this 3 square at here. Suppose I put this 3 square at here. Then what we get? 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 means 3 square. Okay. So by triangular visualization we can say that 1 means 1 square. 1 plus 3 means 2 square. 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 means 9. 9 is a 3 square. 6 plus 10. 6 plus 10 means 16. 16 means 4 square. Now we are going to learn the squares of the 2-digit number. Just you see, whenever we have to make the square of 17 square, what we do? 17 multiply 17 means you do like this, 17 into 17. There you get 0, 1 7s are 7, 1 1s are 1, 7 7s are 49, carry on 4, 7 1s are 7 and 4, 11, right? In this way you get the total 289. But it's a very long trick. Now I am going to teach you different method of the square. How to make the square. Suppose you have to make the square of the 32 square. 32 square. How can you do this? Just you have to prepare the square. Square means square. Just prepare the square. Here you put just the 3. Just 3, 2, 32. 3, 2, 32. Now do like this. 3 into 3 means what you get? 9. 2 into 2, what we get? Here you get 4. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Now we have to make only the 3 lines at here. Just put 4 at here. 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6. Here you put 12. Here you put 12. And here we get 9. Here we get 9. Now what we have to do? Just put 4 at here at the unit place. Now take 2 at here. 1 taken as a carry on. 1 taken as a carry on to 9. 9 plus 1. That's a 10. In this way we easily get the square of 32. 32 square is equal to 1024. Now we are going to make the square of 48. Now we are going to make the square of 48. How can we do this? Just we have to prepare the square. Just we have to prepare the square. Okay? Square means square. Here we get the 4. And here is a 8. Okay? Now same way at here 4 and 8. Now what we have to do? Just 4 into 4. Just we have to take like the 4 into 4 means we get 16. 8 into 8 means we get 64. Now next step is 4 into 8. 4 into 8, that is 32. Same way here 4 into 8 is 32. Now friends, what we have to do? Just to take 3 steps at here. Just to put 3 steps at here. Here is a 16. Here is 32 plus 32. That is 64. 32 plus 32, you get 64. And at last you get the 64 at here. Now start to make the square. Put 4 at here, 6 gets to carry on to 64. 64 plus 6 means you get 64 plus 6 means you get 70. 64 plus 6 means you get 70. Now friends, what you have to do? Just put 0 at here. Just put 0 at here. And take 7 as a carry on to 16. 7 as a carry on to 16. 16 plus 7 means you get 23. So 48 square is what? 2304. So in this way we easily get 48 square is equal to 2304. Okay friends, we are to learn the squares of the 2 digit having 5 at the unit place. It's a very easy trick. Whenever we want to make the square of suppose 35, suppose 35, what we have to do? 5 square. 5 square is 25. Consecutive number of the 3. Consecutive number of the 3 is 4. Now what you have to do? Multiply this 3 with the 4. 3 into 4 we get 12. Same way, by this way we can say 35 square is equal to 1, 2, 2, 5. You can make the another square by of the 3 digit also. Suppose you have given 1, 1, 5 square. What you have to do? 5 square is 25. 5 square is 25. Consecutive number of the 11 is 12. Consecutive number of the 11 is 12. Whenever you make the multiplication of 11 into 12, you get 132. You get 132. 132. By this way, you can find 115 square is equal to 132 and 5. Okay friends, now we are going to learn the tricks of symmetry in the square. Just you see, 1 square. 1 square means what you do? 1 into 1 means 1. 11 square. 11 square means 11 into 11. You get 1, 2, 1. Suppose 1, 1, 1 square. You get 1 in 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1. You get 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. How we can do this? Just to look at here. Suppose you have given the 1, 1, 1 square. Now you have not to make the multiplication of 1, 1, 1 with 1, 1, 1. Just you have to take how many numbers are here? 1, 2 and 3. So just write 1, 2 and 3. Then reverse the number 2 and 1. In this way we get the square of 1, 1, 1 square means 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Suppose you have to make the square of the 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 square. Here how many 1 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just you have to make 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then reverse 4, 3, 2, 1. By decreasing in this way and increasing in this way, we get the square of this number 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 square. Same way, just to look at here 1, 1, 1, 1 square. How can we make 1, 1, 1 in 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1? Means here how many square 1 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I have to do? 1, 2, 3, 4 by increasing and then decreasing 3, 2, 1. In this way I easily get the 1, 1, 1 square. Same way you can make the practice with the other numbers also. Now friends, you just visualize the trick of the symmetry. That is the next trick. Just to visualize what is at here. See, here is nothing. 11 square means 1, 2, 1 as you already know. But suppose when we have to make the 1, 0, 1 square, how can we do this? We have to make the 1, 0, 1 with 1, 0, 1. That is taking a long time. Here what we have to do? We have to take 1, 0, 1. How many zeros are here? 1, 0. Here how many numbers are there? 3 numbers. So I will write 1, 0 and here I take only 2. 1 in place of 1 I take the 2 and then reversing 0, 1. Suppose next place you just see at here 1, 0, 1 square. 1, 0, 0, 1 square. How can we do this? 1. How many zeros are here? 2 zeros. Just write 2 zeros. Then in place of 1 you just put the 2. Then reverse the same number 0, 0 and 1. By this way we can make the square of 1, 0, 0, 1 square means 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 1. Same way you can do this number also 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 square. How can you do this? How many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 place and put how many zeros are here? 3 zeros. First put 1 at here. Then how many zeros are here? 3 zeros. Just put 3 zeros. In place of 1 you will just put the 2. Then reverse same numbers 0, 0, 0, 1. By this way we can make the square of 1, 0, 0, 1 square is equal to 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Now friends, we have learned so many tricks of the symmetry. You can also find the same tricks of the symmetry also. Okay. Now I am going to teach you some extra and the new thing at here. Just to see what a funny tricks is this. Suppose you have told to make the total of 1, that is you get the 1. There you get the 1. But suppose you are told that 1 plus 3. What you get? 4. What you get? 4. Suppose you have to make the another odd number with this. You have to make the odd number to add with this odd number. 1 plus 3 plus 5. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. Same way we are adding odd numbers. We are adding odd numbers. Just to see, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. What you get? You get 16. You get 16. But some of them, suppose you have told to total 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. How can you do this? Here is a one thing at here, just to visualize at here. 1, here is a 1 only odd number. There you get 1. 1 means what? 1 square. Here are the two numbers, 1 and 3, two numbers. You get 4. 4 means what? That is a 2 square. Here you when you add 1 plus 3 plus 5, how many odd numbers are here? 1, 3 and 5. There are the 3 odd numbers. 3 odd numbers total is 9. 9 means 3 odd numbers. Therefore here is a 3 square. Here how many odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7. How many odd numbers are here? 4. 4 means here odd numbers total is 16. 16 means nothing else but the 4 square. Same way you can visualize it here. How many odd numbers are here? Just to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means this is a 10 square. In this way we can total it easily 100. 10 square means 100. By this easy way you can total this all the numbers by using the squares. Okay friends, you can learn so many tricks by this way. Thank you for watching this video.